Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Samani Vidya Bhavan English Medium School. In today's session, we are going to continue with the song Vagyo Re Dol, and we will continue the steps from last session's last step. So last session's last step was Vagyo Re Dol Bai Vagyo Re Dol Mara Meetha Naranima Vagyo Re Dol. This was the last step. Now fine. So here we are going to take each. In our very first session of Navratri, information of Navratri I gave, and in that I gave you the each steps. So here we are going to use that each steps. It is 1 and back, 2 back, 1 up, 2 up. From here we will change the step. So this will be 5, 6, 7. Go. एक सज्जन बंबाचरू मोड़ो थयो एक सज्जन बंबाचरू मोड़ो थयो वाग्यो रे ढोल बाई वाग्यो रे ढोल मारा मीठा रણમાં વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ. Now the step. This step it is Rodia's step only. Opposite hand and leg we are supposed to use. If we are taking this leg in front, we have to look this side and the other side. Hand we have to take in front and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from side 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this step we need to do this step in circle. Fine. So 5, 6. Second. Here we have completed. Then 1, 2. Circle. Turn. 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 So here we will complete, and from here up, down, move. Up, down, move. Now from here both the hands like this movement and legs join, bend, upper body rotation and hit. See 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. મોડું થયું રે પછી મોડું થયું મોડું થયું રે પછી મોડું થયું એક સજ્જન બંબાજરું મોડું થયું એક સજ્જન બંબાજરું મોડું થયું. This way we will complete. In short, in front we will complete. Then again વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ બાઈ વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ મારા મીઠાના રણમાં. So here little bit we don't have to take only circle. We have to take circle from lower part and upper part differently. So here bending circle, fine, and from here upper body circle. Got? So clap, then 1 upper body and tuck, tuck 2 times. See, if in each I will show you the hand movements, then it will be like clap on shoulder like this. Clap on shoulder, clap on shoulder, then clap and move. We just have to move like this. Clap and move. Then clip, 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 clip. After completing that clip with circle, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2 upper body, hit and hit. So clip will come for the hit and for the circle. So while taking circle, clip will come, and after rotation 1 and 2 times hit, clip will come. So these are the steps without music. Now let us try it with the music. Now last step. In last step, we have to give a kick. Kick. Fine. It is not dipping. We have to give hit, kick, hit, kick. See, 5, 6, 7, and rotation, upper body rotation, hit, hit. Fine. So we have to tap this leg and hit, hit, hit. Fine. So this only thing you have to keep in mind. And next session we will continue with the same song. For today's session, this much is enough. And happy Navratri. Stay home, stay safe, keep dancing. Thank you.